If you're secretly hoping that your new infographic will bring tons of new visitors to your website or social media page, hoping isn't enough. You have to execute tactics and strategies to make your infographic stand out. Here are 5 ways to improve your infographic quickly. Number 1. Avoid complexity. People, in general, value simplicity and simple messages. Find simpler ways to deliver your message. For example, write, "Exercise reduces your chances of getting dementia," instead of presenting a long list of statistics on the same subject. Number 2. Restrict your colors to up to 3 to 5 colors. You can use your company colors, for example. Or get one from color palette websites like colorhunt.co. Link in the description box below for more tips on how to choose the right infographic colors. Number 3. Align elements consistently. Alignment is an important aspect of infographic design that allows the whole composition and its component parts to form a harmonious whole. A grid is a series of invisible lines that help elements to line up. All the pictures and text elements should line up with each other along a series of invisible lines. You can also create a set of boxes that will act as placeholders for your content. Number 4. Make sure there's a focal point in your infographic that reinforces your key message. People are hungry for information and will scan the infographic for meaningful content. Pick out key statistics and highlight them with a different color or larger fonts. Number 5. Highlight your headings. The main heading is an important element of your infographic. It sets the scene and allows the reader to quickly discern whether the information is of interest to them or not. Headings should be high in contrast and large in scale. Consider placing the heading on a decorative element so that it's raised away from the background. Bonus tip: use infographic templates. Alignment, colors, and heading placement are already taken care of with infographic templates. All you need to do is edit the texts and make minor adjustments. Check the description box below for access to high-quality infographic templates.